Hello everyone and welcome. And in today's video we're going to be taking a look at SONARA, a review on SONARA. Now, SONARA AI review. We want to know is what's the hype. As we're on the website right now, www.sonara.ai, and now we want to see what it's all about. Now they claim that they are AI-powered job search automation, that they are an AI-powered job search automation platform that continuously finds and applies to relevant job openings until you are hired. If you use them, you get to cast a wider net 10 times with job applications. So you can see product manager, product manager lead. This is what they say they get doing. So they see top. They're going to show you. Let's look at the top companies that are hiring. Look at the top companies that are hiring, and then you can save time by skip the job application process. They get to know you, the desired salary, where do you want to work, you fill in a form for that, they find the jobs for you, and not only that, they also apply for you. And don't stop until you're hired. So they automated job search by continuously scanning millions of openings to find your top matches, and then start each day with a list of new roles matched to your skills and preferences. Submit 10 times as many applications with less effort than one manual application, and you can reclaim valuable hours every week by letting their AI handle the groundwork of job searching. We are ready to automate. You click on find jobs, and then these are the steps, just 3 simple steps. Step 1, upload your resume to help them understand your experience. Step 2, complete a quick profile to share your preferences and career goals. And step 3, find jobs and fill out the application. All you have to do is hit submit. Click on next. If you click on next, you are good to the terms of service, terms of use, and privacy policy. Click on next. Now, you want to upload your resume, you click on upload your resume, and they also fill your answers. Thanks, you upload resume later. So let's say, let me upload the resume. So once I upload the resume, it has to be in docs, PDF, HTML, LTF, or text. So let's go back. Let's say no thanks for now. They're gonna give you what job are you looking for. Let's say I'm looking for an editor, job of an editor. So great news, we found jobs for you. Alright, next. Let's see. Let's say next. Minimum desired compensation. How much? $35 annually. You can try to increase it by pulling to the right or reducing it, sliding it to the left. Depends on you. Let's go big. Then click on next. You can also skip if you don't want to do that. City or state. You can add multiple locations to cast a wider net. So which city? Let's say I want let's say put it there. You also include remote jobs. Then click on next. So save your progress and get custom job allows for jobs in this is place I chose. Put your email address, put your password, and then sign up. So and then you sign up. By sharing your email with them, you are going to receive marketing emails. You can opt out of marketing emails by accessing your account to complete registration or unsubscribe by clicking on the link provided in the email. Now, based on average number of applications submitted by a candidate using SONARA compared to average number of manual submissions, results may vary depending on jobs available and candidate experience. So click on sign up. From what I can see here is it's like a super smart assistant, yeah, for your job search. It uses AI to help you find the best job posting, even ones you might miss on a regular job board. So let's look at it as a guide through the sometimes confusing world of job hunting. So when I'm looking to start my new job, let's say as soon as possible, click on next. Then finding dream opportunities, scanning and matching them. So You can see here are the first 3 job matches that's found for me. We've already found some great job matches for you. Confirm the application will draft for you and apply to your matches if you click. So do you want to become a stay-at-home parent, designer, image editor, home-based graphic designer and image editor, mompreneur, designer, image editor, and it saves us 7 hours this week. So if you want, you can click on discover auto applying too. This is in Long Beach, this is in San Diego. So click on discover auto. I don't want any of those jobs, that's why I didn't click on any of them. Alright, so you can use auto applying. You trial access give you $2.95. You pay $2.95. AI powered job search, best job matches, also fill application. After the 10th application, after 14 days, renew with full access at $23.95 billed every 4 weeks. You can cancel anytime, money back guaranteed. Your money back. Then we choose the annual access. This is the second plan for pricing. Look at the pricing, by the way. We look for the annual access. You pay $5.95 per month. It's billed annually, so you pay $21.40 upfront and save 7%. And you get full access to all features, including unlimited application, automatically renews every year, you can cancel anytime, and pay once and use all year long. There are all subscriptions features. These are the features: automate your job search, wake up to your best results, money back guaranteed, 10 times your job application, save valuable hours every week, and 24/7 customer support. If you got questions, you can contact them 24/7. They are 24/7 customer support. You can also cancel by email, online, or by calling them toll free at 855-695-3235. Let's click on next and see what we got. This is when you want to put in your payment information. So you put in your card number, your security code, card holder name, expiration date, the day. And by clicking start applying, you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. It's understand that you'll be billed $21.40, which is marker unit every year, because that was what I chose. That was the plan I chose. So that is it. If you're satisfied with their service during the first 14 days of your annual access, you can contact them to get a refund after paying. So let's go back. So let's look at the benefits. I'm sorry. Let's go back again. Process this from there. So from what I've seen so far, and from what I've also from the research done, I can say that, let me start by telling you who created SONARA. You can see the jobs are loading, more and more ones are coming up showing me how to apply. And who created SONARA? So SONARA was born from the frustration of endless job hunts and shifting through irrelevant job openings. So Anad, a tech enthusiast and entrepreneur, led a team of like-minded individuals to make a platform that understands your unique skills and preferences. They wanted to make finding your dream job easier, connecting you with the jobs that actually matter, and their mission was to simplify the job search process and empower job seekers to find a perfect match. With endless scrolling and countless job applications, you easily get jobs with SONARA. What are the top benefits of SONARA? 1. Personalized job recommendation. Because SONARA uses AI to understand your skills and interests and suggest relevant job openings that actually fit you. So no more wasting time on irrelevant postings. Second thing you enjoy from it, efficient job search. You can say goodbye to endless scrolling through job boards. SONARA streamlines your job search, saving you valuable time and energy. Next thing you can benefit from it is hidden job opportunities. SONARA uncovers hidden gems in the job market that you might miss with a manual job search. Next thing you enjoy is tailored job application process. You get help crafting the perfect cover letter and resume tailored to each specific job application you submit. And you also get to stay ahead of the competition. With SONARA's AI-powered job search, you will discover new opportunities faster than those that rely on traditional methods. We have more. We have find remote job easily. SONARA makes it easy to filter for remote jobs so that you can work from anywhere. Then it also saves you time and effort to automate parts of the job application process. It is an AI-powered job matching machine because SONARA advanced algorithm go beyond simple keyword matching, understands the context of both your profile and job description for better results. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.